How to fix Rediffmail account login not working. First thing you have to do is head over to your browser where you're trying to log in to Rediffmail. And once you open up your browser, you will see the Rediffmail's login option. And if you're trying to sign in using your Rediffmail but you're not able to do so, first thing you have to do is check your internet connection. So just go ahead and swipe down on your notification panel. And then from there, you can just simply go ahead and select the mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn on mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, you can turn it off and turn on the Wi-Fi. So try switching between your networks and try to log in. In most of the cases, this will start working, but if it's not working, then it might be a good idea to clean up your device's cache on your browser. So click on three dots at the top right. And then from here, head over to settings. Now, once you land on your settings page, you just need to head over to privacy and security and then click on delete browsing data. Now from here, select the date range. And once you've selected the date range, choose what kind of data you want to delete and then click on delete data. Confirm to delete and then you should be good to go. After doing this, you should be able to log into Rediffmail. If not, just contact their support team and they'll be able to help you. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.